It's a learning opportunity for sure. The whole idea is to have an opportunity for people to come in and learn about the plant and learn about how it operates and learn about some of the different unique ideas and unique opportunities that the plants present.
Using a freon system as opposed to ammonia is a relatively new concept in the Peace region, so taking a look at the work in progress was one of the first things on the agenda for the NBCRA meeting. A representative from Train Northwest was on hand and gave a presentation on the difference between freon and ammonia. While the two are relatively similar when it comes to function, freon poses less risk if there's a problem.
Assuming that everything's equal, it would make more sense to pick the safer refrigerant. So, and especially in facilities that have school-aged children skating, and this plant in particular is next to a school as well.
And everyone got a bit of an update on the system as everything appears to be on schedule.
Over the next weeks here, they'll be pushing some brine through and cycling the plants. They're in here today calibrating, which is another opportunity for the tour to come through and just see all the bits and parts that go into getting these things running.
Recreation leaders, including those in Dawson Creek, also spoke during the day-long session. Barry Reynard talked about the process of bringing the World Under-17 Hockey Challenge to the Peace region, but instead of just speaking about the tournament, he focused on how communities can get to the point of hosting world-class events.
Whether that's the world famous chainsaw carving or our gold rush in Taylor and Chetwynd, you look at those and you say, how do you get there? It's the template really we talked about today, and hopefully inspiring some of our recreation people, whether that's a small community event or taking it to the levels that we have nationally and internationally.
And one of the main points and goals of the NBCRA meeting is sharing experiences and ideas to help each other out, with local staff sharing what worked and what didn't when the arena shut down in Dawson nearly 1 year ago.
Some of the plant problems we had and those challenges of losing our ice and the community and the impacts to those user groups, and we hope that we can share that, because maybe there's lessons learned or there's information we can share that says, maybe we need to do it a little differently, or how do we bring back reports to council that can, continue to move recreation and keep community and quality of life items on our agendas.
Derrick Lightfoot, CJDC-TV Sports, Dawson Creek.